Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's a nice cold October day, about 42 degrees outside. We're getting ready to prime this Mustang, so I figured it'd be a good time to give a quick update on the project before we get primer on it and hide all the work that we've done to it. Let me take you around it. Alright, it's 95 Mustang GT convertible. Come in for a restoration. Body wasn't in bad shape. We got dug into it and found that the radiator support was smashed on the left side, and found some other damage here and there. Putting a aftermarket hood scoop or a hood on it, fiberglass hood. Yeah, it was supposed to be carbon fiber, but noticed that there was some peeling on it, and it turned out to be just a decal kit over a cheap fiberglass hood. So we went ahead and stripped that off, and we'll figure out how we're gonna carbon fiber it later. Found some damage here on the fender that was not repaired correctly. It was filled with a ton of Bondo, so we knocked all of it out. There was a nice gash in the fender all the way to here, so we welded that shut, hammered everything out, dressed it up with a little polyester, and we're ready to prime it. It's not overall in bad shape. Looks like there might have been a few little door dings here and there that we went ahead and took out. The biggest issues was back here. This is kind of what happens when you put them boom boxes in the trunk of your car and you don't anchor them down. Kind of tends to tenderize your quarter panels a little bit when you get to going around corners, and it gets to sliding around back there. So we got all those hammered back down and taken care of. Took the spoiler off. It's got the deck lid spoiler on it. Bumpers are off of it right now. The front one's got some pretty decent tears in it. The back one is in really good shape, so we'll just put it back on before we do our final paint. And then here again, got that speaker bouncing around back there, tenderizing the quarter panels. And then this side, usually the passenger side ends up with a little bit more parking lot damage in it than the driver's side, so we'll get all that knocked out and taken care of, and we're gonna start shooting some primer on it and then block it out a couple more times. Since it's black, we got to get it super flat, and we'll get some paint on it. Once again, we all know how YouTube works. Like and subscribe if you want to see get updates. This will be going into the playlist. I'm trying to redo the videos a little bit and get them in playlists and get it a little more easy to navigate, but there we go. It's got some lighting here. But stay tuned for more projects. We have a square body sitting outside that we'll be introducing you to in the next few days. And then, of course, we still have the Impala project over in the other building. If you're a member of this channel already and you know what's going on, we'll be getting back to that in the next couple weeks, hitting it heavy. So, thanks for watching. Catch you later.